Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. So the Bulls got slaughtered today. We were. I had to be in we're leaning towards the downside because our predictive analytics model was, saying that time was running out. We had bearish divergences, and the only thing was missing was an extreme bullish sentiment reading. And the fact that we were trading, say, within this little channel, it could have been just consolidation before heading up. So I had to turn around, and I didn't want to get aggressive because if this support held and then we went up, we could have been averaging in down here as we're heading up. So I've been pretty upfront with everything where I said, I'm looking lower, but I want to be cautious with the entries. So we have a, quarter short position, somewhere right around up here. And what we want to do now is we want to see how this support holds, because if the Bears push through this tomorrow, the 40-70. Really, the next area that I would expect it to go is going to be down to the 40-30. From here, you're going to see the moving averages crossing, and then back up here is going to be the major resistance, and this is where we start building our position. So if the Bills hold this, and then we have some type of rally, say tomorrow, I don't, I'm not quite sure what would be the rhyme or reason. Then what we want to do is keep an eye on this 4113 up to the 4120. Let's just say 4113 up to this area right here, 4143. So this would be the short zone. This is where you have to be a little careful because we do have support. We're very oversold right now. So anticipating one of these levels to hold, and then we get a big bounce off of that's kind of what is fitting the profile right now. But if they decide to come down, I'm still just going to hold my quarter position. And once we pop up, that's when I'm going to start using that strength to build a larger short position. So you can see we made it through the 200-day moving average on the 60-minute chart. If we take a look at the 15-minute chart here, once it changes, here we go. We actually have a bearish cross. So this has not happened since, really, we got to go all the way back. We're looking all the way back to March 20th. That was the last time we had a bearish cross. You can see we came across on it, but this is your first. So this is our resistance area. This is where we want to look to short. And and that's really it. So we were looking up here we were saying the top is due in April. Here we are. I was, again, broke that support. We're at now this important support because if the Bulls lose it, they do have support right here at the 40-57. My guess is they're going to come down to the 40-31. From there, that's where I believe that we're going to get a pretty nice rally back up to the 41-15 area, maybe a little bit higher. Get some people a little bit more bulled up again, and then from there we crash back down. We already know, from Woody what to expect heading into, into the spring summer time period, and we're just going to trade it that way. So right now, things are, they're going as planned. I really would have wished that we had a sentiment extreme spike because that would have made things really, really easy. But we had the NIAID sell signal. We had bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart. We had sell signals on the 60-minute chart. So, staying long up here and hoping that we are going to, start this new bull market was just silly. So now we just wait for bounces to take place, and we'll short them. So with that, let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.